Второй класс. Английский язык. Мои каникулы. Домашнее задание. Страница 100-101. English. Spotlight 2. My holidays. Homework page. 100-101. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 100. Exercise number 1. Прочитай предложение и подбери соответствующую картинку. It's sunny, it's hot, it's raining. It's hot. It's raining. It's sunny. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Прочитай предложение и закончи их. Number 1. It's hot today. I'm wearing my green shorts. Number 2. Look, he is wearing his blue jacket. Number 3. Look, she is wearing her red coat. It's hot today. I am wearing my green shorts. Look, he is wearing his blue jacket. Look, she is wearing her red coat. My dear friends, open your books, please. Page number 101. 101. Exercise number 3. Спой песенку. It's hot today. Put on your hat. Take off your jacket. It's hot. It's raining. It's raining. Put on your coat. It's raining cats and dogs. It's sunny today. I'm wearing my hat. It's sunny. It's sunny today. It's raining. It's raining. I'm wearing my jacket. So can I go out to play? Read once more, please. It's hot today. Put on your hat. Take off your jacket. It's hot. It's raining. It's raining. Put on your coat. It's raining cats and dogs. It's sunny today. I'm wearing my hat. It's sunny. It's sunny today. It's raining. It's raining. I'm wearing my jacket. So, can I go out to play? Boys and girls, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Good morning, the best to you this morning. How are you? How are you? I hope you're feeling fine and happy all the time. Good morning, the
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.